in the time of Andrew Osawaru. Moses Obakpolo was the vice president. I know how it operates. Ebony, Arundawe, Fupege, and oh, you matter your worst. Because if one ham wedding we apologize. Any area where like film industry, they don't know how you become Ebony. If you take, I be your in-law. Ugaweru don't matter where we give call him in-law is okay by me. But yet me matter. You do be a go. You cannot expect me to come outside now. You don't have my where or you don't support you where or man no where we Ebony, please take this from me. It will help you. Do this not because of your pride, but because of your talent, your career. Ekenu marry say oyebuse ekenuri. Mami am award ne ibaba kabaman, iramega kabaman, iramega kolishoke. Mabege aye mo award ni a. Why? Because any a musician ogo kao ni redo no ma sote. O see ni 24 bit na aye mo award na aye muni ani. Edo are uswema na hia mo award na redowe agwa suspend ene. Emi kere or you zange ma the film industry. Ekenukede ogwama mama ekporo ugbo. You are my in-law. Wawo uhame. Yeye wawo uhame gbahin. O si ena do gwegwana. Ugme mata na ri se ani ne mete wikuno. Ugme elders. The body of Ean, Kenire Nigeria, Kenire Webo, we are more than 500,000 members. Maya Ugbowaye, Ebony, don't allow anybody to push you not to do this. Ebony, if you do this thing, you will gain a lot of followers. People will love you more. Whether you apologize, Amanagi do we if I don't gonna do me where to lad down to Atawa. Wakina Ebony, I also was suspended. Hey, man, I will only do apologize. I hope more than it be. Yes, this is not presenter. On a presenter, Ebony no can say when my presenter, when my Yahoo with social media. I mean, I apologize to Igbe. Another presenter. This is a association we now want. Association now where. Association, association that link you to Asaba. You cannot wake up and say you want to go and shoot film in Asaba. It's not possible. You started from somewhere. Go on your knees and apologize. Ekawe no level. Ekawe why are we film in Asaba? Ubele new house in that scenario. You see my new house? Eh? Now my house be this one. I can walk freely in my parlor. But if I go any presenter parlor house, I cannot walk freely. I cannot talk like this because it get limit. If you say you not go apologize, you can't come up for us. As I did now, I can't come up for us. Go another person ask. I cannot talk the way I'm talking right now because this is what is the time. May I use my own to make example now? This is to 11. If now person has a day, he get the right to tell me to quiet. He want sleep. But as far as I did my house, they never born that bastard where go tell me say he want sleep except my wife. And my wife cannot disturb me because why? She knows really well that I'm a presenter. I say now nothing more. I don't want to use my presenting. They disturb my family because I love my family so much. Ebony, apologize. And my sister is not an award, a priority. Let me tell you what goes along with it. More hatred because you are bringing stain to Ehan. More hatred, more enemies. If other notice in Nata, Igba warrior forever. Because Rundawana will Ehan. And nobody can do anything about it. Because Ehan has been in existence for years. Nobody can make Ehan president to change his mind. Get that one for medal. Except to not be association when me for register before I come out. Except not be the association when me for register. Akobenya was raised from Ehan. Big musicians today was raised from Ehan. Lovetoke Shazubene was raised from Ehan. Our late fallen heroes, Ukeke and Erejiro, was raised from Ehan. Listen very good. Ehan Esaf is a big body that nobody, no presenter can even insult, and he go come be like say the president go come change math. He not go change math. He not get how you want to do one. If you like an insult from now to tomorrow, we move. They don't pass their law. They don't pass their law. So if you know what is good for you, please, my in-law, do this for me. I want to be proud of you as always. Imao need to be proud of you in case of where our your in-law would have suspend. A shame in no me. You could know me. Thank God say that your matter open my new house. This one will be saga. Share this video, guys. Share this video. Imao no. I don't want to call you. It's an advice. Go and do the right thing. You have friends in the industry that can link you to the president. But okay way you want to go beg president. First do public video so that now people will call president. Now people will call president of France and say Babala wo Ebony wa digwesi wa via live video no la no wala no ya boy. It is people that will also come out and speak for you. It is people that will come out to beg for you. If you say no level, wa mama like bo wa yasamba wari. E yo le do sha hian we film. E hian so vi gbo ai no do lu we no ye do. When we ni gbo we gbin ai. Ebony how we that we film ne where also we are right here. No. If you made last 2 years he exist. Only last year he exist. Nadao or say I'm here film. Egi we mwe how we here do agave my sister in as much the elders in the industry have checked where if we know wauna I won't tell where a musician Pangolo, Umaswe Nyomao, Uswe Nyomao, and the matter that man allowed be president of Ehan, Ewana defending boy. Ubewori Laone, your power passing law now. Osamuyime Orlando Oyebo was there today, and so many dignitaries. Please, Ebony, you know the test smoke picking me come off for fire. Small smoke will come off for fire. Think about this. Don't allow anybody to push you to do this. Ehan not be presenters. Ehan is not presenter when he be say, I got Tebon Ebene, I have apology by Sunu. My dear sister, only you one cannot do a film in Benin City. And I'm more loyal where come on no you where we film will be sanctioned. Where you want more aburo. Ebony, do the right thing at the right time. Egg your twin, egg anybody at all. Ehan brought you to limelight. Ehan brought you to limelight. Genya. Ehan is here gina kwegane. Awe pass as you west. Eorun de film. Are London Vederio. I will give you example. If it not be say UK, if it be something big, tomorrow go and mark it. Who knows? Because of your Benin movie where you do, you feel use and see Rihanna. You can be opportune to meet with Rihanna. Say, these are the people doing it. Everything in life is possible. Then the other time Rihanna where Rihanna Ebony here did bad trip now because I suspended is a shame. You can mess I can that UK, you go down. So even if no, don't do this. Don't do this. Please, 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 please. Date him out. Date all go your own way. I wish I feel do it for you. I for do it for you because this is your career. Don't allow anybody to confuse you on your career. Because before you come rise, people they that and when be say they be registered member for so many years. I hear me at today. I will wait for me say. I will what say. I will make connection say. Now your oil, now grace. The grace upon your life is where is now that one is speak for you today. So if you know what is good for you, apologize so that now that your video now others will come see, they will temper justice with mercy. They forgive you. You can now use people to do movie because no artist right now will agree follow you. Even your own party no will agree follow you do movie because anything will make your party join you do movie automatically.